Hi, for this quick tip, we're going to go over what a master layout is. If you have an application that has a couple steps or many steps, and you have something that you want to keep on every step, maybe it's a logo or like a header bar, maybe some buttons, a menu. If you are if you're copying and pasting that from one step to the other, you shouldn't have to do that. You can use the master layout. So let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. So let's say I have a bar up here, and I want to have my logo here. And then I put a next button here on the bottom, and I create a new step. So here's my step 1, and then I make a new step, step 2. All that stuff is gone. Well, you can actually take all this stuff. I'm just going to cut it, go to the master layout down here in the bottom, and paste it in. And now it's going to be on this step and this step. So here I can write stuff on step 1, and then here I can write stuff on step 2. So it really saves you some time, and you can actually, create standard master layouts and share them and that sort of thing. But this keeps things really consistent and makes it a lot easier to build. The other thing is, maybe you want to have on one step, you don't want that thing. Well, you can click on it at any time and you can unlock it and delete it or change it in some way. And every other step is going to have that same thing that you just deleted, except for that one you just had. So you're not restricted. You don't have to use the master layout exactly as is. Maybe most of your steps are going to have a master layout, and some steps might have like a different variation of it. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks.